Hello everyone. Today, different work, a bit of tidying up. I've decided to do some cable management, so to speak. Here I have some plastic piping, which is usually used for the wires in the engine bay or in other places inside the car. I have a bit larger diameter, something in between, and really small one. I should be having enough. First of all, here is how it looks like right now. You see here I previously did some wrapping. I will see if I can put this one. Here I put new connectors for the injectors. I have two more. So this one is broken down there, number 2. Number 1 is okay, maybe I keep it. Just leave one for spares. Yeah, so first of all, I need to take the battery connectors off to be on the safe side. Then as I go I will show you how I'm doing it. You will most likely gain more space if you remove this pipe going to the turbine, or when you do it, make sure to put some cloth or a bag to protect from debris not entering there. Then first what I want to do here is make things loose, so I'll disconnect connectors and try to have some more space, because first I want to fix this one. So a while ago I was fixing the connection to the air conditioner compressor, AC compressor I guess, and there I took this and by mistake I soldered it over the line here. So you see two lines go down there and one above. So I will cut this and solder it, then put new sleeves down there all the way. Not sure it can be seen, but you get the idea. So here is what I did so far. As I said, I rerouted the wire that was going across. Now here I untangled a lot of sellotape, and I will see how can I better collectively protect this with such thing. But first I want to do some cleaning and inspection of the wires. There's some grease inside. But as you see, it's loose. Disconnected this from the alternator. It's easier now. Going slowly but progressing. So I finished connecting, soldering new connection for the injector here. The old one was messed up, as you can see here. Age, oil, temperatures, and eventually it goes like this, becomes brittle plastic. It's not secure anymore, car can stutter, lose power to injector. What I'm doing right now is separating injectors and glow plugs, so these lines, from the rest of the car. And while we are here, maybe we can take a look what we have. This is connection for the fuel pressure regulator. It goes on the high pressure fuel pump. This is the fuel temperature sensor. As far as I know, it has a connection. This one has its own connection. Down here you have oil pressure sensor. You have the oil level sensor. So this is the pressure, this is the level. Here you also have a sensor or a switch, I don't know what it is, for this rail. Yeah, and down there you have pretty much usual stuff for compressor, the pressure switch again, the clutch, and you have here the camshaft or some sort of reading sensor for the engine timing stuff. I don't know exact terminology, as you know I'm not professional. Only thing I don't know, what is this? So this is from the beginning, it was always hanging. It must be for something, but I never found the connection where it goes. Could be for the coolant level, but it's too short. Similar to this, but I don't know really. I don't know the car works without it. So now, as I said, I'm separating, cleaning. The wires were really oily. You still see here some of the grease. I guess it had major spill down sometime in the past. Yeah, I continue and I will show you how it progresses. Here is another reason why you want to check your car and wires from time to time. This is the fuel pressure regulator and it has its own wires, two wires only, but see here, over time they got chewed. This is not mice damage, this is simply old age and bending and so on. There is more such damage. The wires simply rubbing, and you see here for the fuel temperature sensor, I can focus, copper is exposed. When that goes in connection with metal, there is a short reported and the engine will have some issues probably. I found a couple of these and I will make sure they don't get or keep getting exposure. There is one for the injector somewhere here, yeah, here. So double check your wires. See here as well, it's dark, but the fat one, that's why you need to check your wires. This is for the glow plug. Check your wires and you will be much safer. It can be, you know, that you have an issue which is really just because of exposed isolation on the wire. Now you can see or get an idea what I am aiming for. You see here I divided the sensors and other connectors from the injectors, and the injectors will look like something like this. You see, injector, glow plug. It's much more tidier, wires are protected. This old protection, where is it now, like this, it's hard, very hard and brittle, so I'm replacing that with this tubing now. This is just one tube here that I added, if you can see. Then these little ones, then I have this as well, I will replace them. I am also cleaning the wires as I go. This tubing, there's quite a lot of it, so there shouldn't be lack of the tubing. Then here, new injector. Now I go one by one, and yeah, we'll show you the end product, or when there is something interesting. It's really tedious to put these, especially the tiny one. If someone decides to do these types of work, a little tip for you. So you take the pipe, the protection pipe, and start from top. So as soon as you feed it in here, then just push down and it keeps feeding itself. If you go other way around, like feeding it from the top and then going slowly towards the bottom, it is much more harder. I need two hands here, but if you just keep pushing, so basically pushing this down there, it will feed and attach itself, as you can see. So you take the top point of the pipe, feed it, like in reverse and just push down. Obviously you need to a bit wiggle it, but it goes much faster if you do it like this. Here's the progress so far. All the injectors, glow plugs have now this shielding individual. This is main line for the sensors like this. Now I'm putting here, yeah, the ends that are missing. So we'll see if that can work, or if not, then just leave it hanging. But I'll try to put smaller pieces. See, I'm finally done. Here's the final, the complete job. Need to put a zip tie here, but otherwise this is it. Basically all injectors, glow plugs, sensors here, the regulator down there for the AC, also for the clutch, but for the clutch I couldn't come to the end of it. Here was missing piece, added the one, and here was also missing, or it was taped, so I put it like so. Right now it's everything clean. I think more needs to be done in that area down there and here as well, but for this video I think it's enough. You get the idea. Here's alternator, this is AC. I split here because of previous work. It's basically one connector, but I split the wires as I have here some soldering going on. Here is the other sensor for the oil, here another one. Everywhere where I could reach I put these piping protection stuff. It's quite nice and very cheap on Temu and eBay, maybe cheaper on Temu, definitely. Now I will assemble everything, and that's it for this video. It's good from time to time to inspect your wiring to make sure there is no short or potential short happening. Yeah, I found a couple of potential issues of the future here, and yeah, I solved it. Alright, then that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you didn't already, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.